All right, we got indefinite integral here. That's why you guys see a plus C. Kun is so kind right here to put the plus C there for you. You need to not make sure you don't forget the plus C whenever you do an indefinite integral. Why is it indefinite? Because there's no A and B right here. If you had a lower bound and an upper bound, then it would be considered a definite integral. This is an indefinite integral. So what we're going to do here is we're going to use FTC2. FTC2 is the fundamental theorem of calculus part 2. And what is that? That says this. If you have... Oh, wait. No, we're not doing FTC2. Sorry. That's going to be when you get to a definite integral. For this one, we're just going to do the antiderivative of the integrand and then be done. Now, if you guys had x to the fourth power and you guys took the derivative of that, you guys know that it's 4x to the third. That's the power rule, right? You guys know this? Okay, and how did we do that? Well, the step one was we multiplied expo to term, or you could say coefficient, whatever. We multiply the 4 times the term. It's almost like this 4 gets dropped, okay? But if there was a number right here, we would multiply it. Like if there was a 3 right here, this wouldn't be 4, it would be 12. Okay, so you're multiplying the expo to the term. And then the second thing you guys do is you take, or subtract 1 from expo. So if we're doing the integral, we have to do the exact opposite. Okay, so what would be the first thing we do if we're doing the exact opposite? We have to go backwards. Okay, think about the last thing we did. The last thing we did is we subtracted 1 from the expo. So what would be the first thing to do when we do the antiderivative?
Add 1.
Yeah, so we're going to add 1 to expo. And then what would be the second step? Not multiply, right? Divide term by new expo. Dang it. New expo. So that's what we're going to do. So let's add 1 to the 5 and then divide this by the new expo. Okay, so what is 5 and 1? 6. And then we have 6 on the bottom. That's our answer. This is all you do. Now, it's important to know that you can write this in different ways. We can write this as 1/6 times x to the 6th. Okay? And there's other ways, but you wouldn't see it. It would just be one of those. And then, of course, you would have to have the plus c, but Khan already does it for you.